Hello everyone. I hope this is the last part of the Sci-Fi City Level Design project. So as you can see, I am still arranging the vehicles. So I'm just arranging the vehicles for the the level to look good. So you see there are a lot of assets and I'm just putting them in the container. I actually like clean project. So it's like it's a good practice to keep all the assets, all the files organized. Uh, if you do the practice, it will be good. But if you are not doing this in the long run, this will be very difficult to find certain assets, and maybe for the kind of like a editing problem. So when you are dealing with a lot of assets and lot of content in your projects, so you must have to consider this one. So this is a suggestion for new game developers to me, that you have to be very precise and very clean on the on your file management. So yeah, as you can see, this one is I'm just like kind of like a parking lot. So it's like all the vehicles are floating. It's very interesting to see. I mean, my imagination is like that, I imagine something like this, so I just made it like from my uh, conceptual idea. So yes, something like this, and it's almost ready. I'm just placing the vehicles from here and there to to look good. Yes, so this is almost ready. Okay, one part actually I skipped from the beginning, that which is creating the road and the lot construction. This part I skipped for a reason actually. I don't want to make the tutorial series too long, so I just want to show you that how I construct the blocks. As you can see, I just copy a road chunk and just snap it there. And also I find this one, just copy. So I'm just showing you the how the blocks, CT blocks, you can manipulate, and how they are constructed. So like this one, okay. And also it's very easy, like a Lego set, just for your preferences. Just like you have to be patient and create your things. So I'm just expanding one lot. Uh, it was ready. You see the road and the lot. I'm just copying and placing that, snapping that, and that's done. You see. So you can expand whatever the layouts you want to like. You can expand, because this is a kind of a modular system. Road networks and all the blocks are modular system, and even the platforms are modular system. As you can see, I am selecting them. So as you can make like based on your preference. So I just duplicate that one, and it's too large for this lot, so I'll bring some of like, yeah, some of uh, this building, place it like there. Okay, make sure the spaceships are good. I mean the hover car, whatever you're gonna call, hover car or a spaceship. And yes, I'm just bringing one up there. Yes, something like that for the, kind of ready for the passenger, or ready for the ready for boarding, and they will go into the sky like a Star Wars series. The engine are roaring. Imagine that all of them are sounding like a engine roaring, and I can populate them with the kind of like artificial humans. So it's like a whole game. We can create a whole level we can create from this one. So I'm just placing the assets to show the how the level is completed and how I visualize this one. Okay, yes, you can see in the maximize view. Yeah, this is the heart, and this is the kind of like a open field, open space. It's a kind of a breathing space of the city. It's looking very nice from the top, from the RTS perspective. Yeah, the four tower are the tallest tower in the city. Yeah, this one you are seeing from the wireframe view and shaded and wireframe view. As you can see, they are pretty low poly. All of them are in a in a very standard condition of the polygonal mesh. So yes, something like this from the above. As you can see, they're looking like a comic book city from this wireframe on. Okay, so like I am just adding some more details, the final touch, as you can say. Some more details, some more, maybe the signboards, and maybe here and there the spaceships or hover car, what you wanna call. So this project, actually I used four collection set. One is the road network, one is building, one is the sci-fi signboard, and one is the sci-fi hover car. So the four, combining these four asset pack and make a city layout. Yes, resize it, rescale it according to your needs. This is A, and this one is B. Okay, this one is B. Next one is C. It's just like a marking of the buildings or the or the place D. So I just make A B C D, not more than D. So the four building contains the four sets of A B C D. So like a tower A, tower B, tower C, tower D. So something like that. Yes. Uh, and also okay, something like that. I mean, you can go very detail. I mean, it's like you have to be a kind of like a tolerable detail section, not too much, not too low. So you just need to be kind of like in a middle position that if you if you go for too much low, so the asset population that will not look good. But if you go very high, then maybe the PC running condition will affect, and kind of like a your poly count will be heavy, although they are low poly assets, but they're kind of a low poly assets, but the poly count will be heavy if you populate them so much. So it's like always like a middle situation, not too low, not too high. So yes. So, guys, we are arriving in the final section. I think it's done, and thank you very much for giving me support. And this is the first level design tutorial I'm uploading. Hope you enjoy this one, and you're gonna practice with your assets. One thing that I didn't use any kind of free assets or any kind of downloaded assets in this tutorial, because they are not my assets. I just use my assets to to have my creation. Look at that. I think it's okay, and it's more than okay for the RTS um, kind of game. Okay. So thank you very much. And if you have any questions and if you have any queries, don't hesitate to ask me. You can contact with me, and you can directly reach me through the comment section. So this is from the Unity, how you can do a level design of Sci-Fi City, and this is from the HDRP pipeline. Keep in mind, this is not the standard Unity pipeline. This is from the HDRP pipeline. So yes, if anybody need this asset, the full set of the city, you can contact with me. You can write to me that yes, you're gonna use this asset to your project or to your game. I will be happy to know that, and soon I will upload this one in my asset also. But you can contact with me if you need this asset. I will give a discount for this one. No problem. Let's use this one for your project. Okay. So thank you very much. I will be coming again in the next part, next level design. That one may be with the Unreal. So thank you very much.